Let us say I'm talking about my daughter. So let me look at in recent behavior, what is the dominant feeling that I'm struggling with in gaining freedom with my daughter's relationship with me, or my relationship with my son, my relationship with my boss, my relationship with my spouse. And then say, out of guilt, pride and shame, which is the one dominant feeling? Pick one. And once I pick that, where does that come up? What are the things which he or she says that triggers this? Find out that. Then you say, what are my natural reactions, my knee-jerk reaction? Identify that. Then sit down and rewrite. Actually, even write it down. I am acting out of choice. I am acting out of gratitude. I am acting out of passion, purpose. I am acting out of service. What are some things which you can write? If you were to go interact with the same person on the same topic, what are the choices that you have to react instead of GPS? What else can you do? And try that out next time you have a chance. Once or twice, when you say, it will shock them actually. But find out how enlivening it is for you. After about 2-3 times, you will actually slowly and progressively you will make it into a game. Make it as fun. Instead of reacting, you create a game out of it, and soon you will have freedom with them that you never had for a long period of time. That is the way in which you break out of the GPS system.